Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we strive to expose the everyday human rights violations within the finance industry. Today, we're going to be continuing on with our Irene, Dagher, and Easy Finance video. You can watch that right here. And I'm going to be showing you guys the email that made Irene Dagher go completely ghost. No longer return or accept any of my phone calls, nor respond to emails. So let's go and check this out.
Now, really quickly, before we get into this email, let's go ahead and take a look at the Consumer Protection Act of Canada and see exactly what they define as false or misleading information. Here it says a person must not supply false or misleading information to a reporting agency. A person does not contravene subsection 1 if at the time the information was supplied, the person did not know that it was false or misleading. That is very important. So now let's move forward. So here we have a screenshot of the email in question. Now this is just a response to Irene's last email, which you can see in part 1 of Irene, Dagher, and Easy Finance. I'll put the link to the video right here. Where she just pretty much attempts to collect further and is completely unaware of what this case is regarding. So just go ahead and lay everything out for her. The email reads, "Hello Irene, I would like to clarify that Lesley Hand and Kevin Body are being sued for negligence in the workplace leading to damages. Due to the fact that they were well aware Kevin Apaya had all the funds to pay out the outstanding balance in full since November, we have provided Lesley with proof of funds, and as we waited for Easy Finance to prove they did in fact maintain ownership of the debt so we could forward the funds, Lesley Hand and Kevin Body reported false missed payments to Kevin Apaya's credit bureau after they had failed to provide the documentation that proves Easy Finance is legally entitled to a payment. Here is the public investigation we published regarding the situation that proves the accusations are true." I will put a link to this video right here so you guys can take a look at that and see exactly the evidence that we've presented to Irene. It appears as though Lesley Hand and Kevin Body may be aiding Easy Finance in attempting to collect on a debt which is no longer owned. That would be considered misrepresentation of the facts leading to fraud. We have a simple resolution. Remove all negative remarks from Kevin Apaya's credit history dated from November forward, and we will drop the lawsuit of Lesley Hand and Kevin Body. Or, since you have placed yourself as their legal representation on the statement of defense, you must be able to prove in a court of law that Lesley Hand and Kevin Body did not refuse to prove Easy Finance held the rights to the debt, then knowingly make negative reports to Kevin Apaya's credit bureau, even though he was attempting to pay out the entire outstanding balance in full in exchange for verifiable proof Easy Finance still maintained ownership of his debt. A sworn affidavit from a chartered accountant that states the debt remains on Easy Finance's ledgers. I would suggest you speak with the defendants in order to come to a resolution." So there it is, you guys. After laying everything all out on the table for Irene, she has gone ghost. We have not heard a peep from her after multiple phone calls and follow-up emails. Now, the real reason that this is so outrageous is simply the fact that Irene placed herself as the legal representation on court documents on a state of defense. She placed herself as the mouthpiece and now refuses to speak to us.
So there it is. You guys saw it for yourself. Irene Dagher is unable to defend any of these actions. Matter of fact, she thought this was just another simple attempt to collect. And as soon as we brought to her attention what the allegations on the defendants are, she has completely cut contact because she is unable to defend these acts. So stick around when we get a hold of the CEO of Easy Finance and ask him what's going on and why won't his legal representation speak to us. Thanks, and you guys have a wonderful day.
Now, don't forget to complain. It's very important for us to unite and then see that. So, just look down in the description. It's going to tell you exactly how to complain and how you will be entered into this group actively seeking to access their birth certificate bond. Keep in touch. Keep looking. We've got lots more to tell you. You guys have a great day.